Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Drone Company here with Bastian Greiner of Plettenberg. Bastian, it's really nice to meet you. I'm curious, I want to learn a little bit more about your company, what you do within the UAV space. So can you give us a quick overview of what your company does?
Of course. Chris, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, of course, absolutely.
So Plettenberg is one of the leading providers of propulsion systems for drones. So we design and manufacture motors, but also speed controllers for the motors. And we also provide, together with our partner Matchlick, propeller systems. So we have entire propulsion systems for drones.
Okay.
And within that market, we are very specialized. So we don't manufacture standard motors, but we have tailored motor systems. That means customers come to us, they share with us their mission profile, load profile, all the details of their drone application and design, and then we come up with a motor design which is specifically made for their particular use case. And that in many cases leads to a very efficient drive system which saves up to 20, 30, sometimes 40% of weight and adds a lot of performance.
That's excellent. Now in terms of where your platforms can be found in different drones, can you give us an example of a few of the companies that you work with?
I cannot name specific companies, but we work with a lot of the big OEMs in the defense space. Okay. But we also have a growing customer base in the commercial segment. So we are more focused on larger drones. So our motors start roughly around 1 kilowatt, just below 1 kilowatts. But our sweet spot is in the, I would say, 5 to 15, sometimes 30 or even 50 kilowatt range. So we also have designed a new motor, which you can see over there, which has peak power of 50 kilowatts, and that's more targeted towards the advanced air mobility segment. So going away from the drone segment and going to the manned systems.
Okay, and in terms of how your propulsion systems are used, is it in a quadcopter basis, or can it be in like a fixed wing that has a propulsion system to it?
Again, since we have customized motors, we're very flexible. So our motors can be used in quad or multi-copter applications. They can be used in single rotor applications. But a lot of our customers also have just lift motors from us and then a separate propulsion motor. So we're very flexible and can also adjust the motor according to the requirements of the customer.
Now, if somebody wanted to learn more about your propulsion systems and how they might integrate into their UAV platforms, how would they go about getting a hold of you? Is there a website they can go to?
Yeah, of course. So the easiest way is to go to our website, click the contact sales button, and then what we typically do is we reach out to the customer, send them a spec sheet where they fill in their information. Then it goes back and forth 1 or 2 times. We collect all the information, and then our engineers, for free, come up with a design for the customer. And so they provide an entire propulsion design, and the customer can then check it versus their requirements, can give some comments. It goes back and forth a couple of times, and then they can order their prototype motors, test them, and hopefully then integrate them in their product and have a serial product.
Excellent. Hey, thank you so much for your time. If you want to find out more about Plettenberg, go to their website. They've got lots of answers for you. Super flexible. So thank you so much.
Chris.
Appreciate it. Thank you.